Tonight, the fate of Deshaun Watson's first season with the Browns is still pending. An NFL appeal to a 6-game no-fine suspension for sexual misconduct allegations could end with Watson facing a longer punishment or even a legal battle. 3 News investigator Marisa Saenz reports on how cases similar to his have unfolded in the past.
When it comes to lawsuits over suspensions, the NFL is undefeated, even when its best players are disciplined.
It might take just a few months. The parties might settle, for example, and then the case would be over in 3 months, 6 months. Most cases where I do most of my practice are over within a year or 15, 18 months.
3 past cases give us some insight into how Watson's appeals will likely go, and a sliver of hope he may suit up for the Browns in Week 1. Dallas Cowboys star running back Ezekiel Elliott was suspended for 6 games for domestic violence allegations prior to the 2017 season. Elliott sued, and a judge granted an emergency stay. The lawsuit dragged out for 2 months, and Elliott kept playing through Week 8. In the end, Elliott lost and sat out 6 games. Former New England quarterback Tom Brady delayed his suspension for the entire 2015 season by suing. The lawsuit was eventually tossed out, ending with a 4-game suspension for his role in Deflategate.
He could play the 2022 season, and then the judge would have plenty of time to rule on the fairness or in essence, whether the decision was consistent with the collective bargaining agreement.
For Browns fans, there's a 3rd case involving all-pro running back Adrian Peterson that dashes all hope of Watson playing in Week 1. Peterson was placed on what's called the Commissioner's Exemption List in 2014 as child abuse charges were pending. That move banned Peterson from playing for 9 games. A 6-game suspension then followed. 2 years of litigation didn't change the outcome.
There is another potential outcome, an out-of-court settlement between the NFL and Watson. The NFL is expected to seek a 1-year suspension plus a fine. One final note, the NFL Players Association filed a response to the appeal this afternoon. That response is not public as of now. Laura.
All right, Marisa Saenz live for us tonight. Marisa, thank you.